Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making this little phone, or like this little small phone right here. One of these old cell phones. If you have one of these, comment down below. Tell us right now. Do you have one of these old small phones? Or do you have a smartphone like we do now? So let's get to taking this apart. Alright, so first, we're going to start with our phone's keypad. So first, I'm going to need these pieces. So I'm going to show you all the pieces you'll need. So now, I'm going to sort them out. We'll need 1, 2, 3, 4 of these snot holes pieces, 2 jumper plates, actually 3 jumper plates. Then we'll need 2 of these 1x2 tiles, 3 of these 1x4s, 1 of these 1x4 flat pieces, and 1 of these 2x4 flat pieces. So now let's get started by stacking up these pieces like this and putting it on our lavender plate. And it looks like this so far. And then let's do the same with the pink and put this purple one back here. Now, let's put these pink tiles on here and these jumper plates on here, like this. Now, let's work on this part of the phone, which is the screen. And it's very simple. You'll need 2 of these phone pieces. One's pink, one's purple, with a 2x2 flat piece in the middle, with a 2x4 on the bottom, which is flat. 1 of these window pieces. This one can open up. And these pink pieces. So now, let's stack these pink pieces on the back, and then let's get this window into here, and then let's put the top on here, and we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.